Hello, thanks for tuning in to Custodian File. I'm going to try something different here. We're going to start off. This is, by the way, my first post audio video. What you're looking at here is an interpolation of a video of 8 images, which is about 1/10 of a second. It took about 1 hour to put this together, so it is not Photoshop. It is actually real. This image is exactly where it appeared on the video. I will move this forward here. I will try to talk my way quickly. This will be a fast post. And so we took this video occurred approximately, for what it's worth, not that it has any meaning, but 20 seconds after the Thunderbirds flew over my roof. There's the original video running at 12% speed. Video again just circled, and the pics again. So all these are different. It's the same object at a different location in space and time. Going to the second one, this is a solo flight where you actually see one of these drones. These are rare, but it's actually flying without a marker, without a chopper. Here we go, a different video with the chopper. I think this is where we have 2, 3. Let me repeat that. I think we had, there's actually 3. There's 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, there's 3 drones on that. That's actually pretty good. Same thing. Put this on pause here. Let me replay that. And I'm not going to identify these air vehicles. They're self-explanatory. And this content is not about air vehicles. It's only about this guy here, this 10-inch copper disc that's flying around. That's all this is. So I want to try to keep this objective and as scientific as possible. We are not interested in who's chasing it, although by watching all the videos, you'll see pretty much everyone from Alpha to Omega is chasing this guy. Okay, here on a really close video, I can do a quick enlargement. Self-explanatory. If you have any specific questions, please feel free to ask. I'll try to roll this forward. I appreciate you watching. Military thing. All this is happening right here in Marina del Rey, Los Angeles. Every day. It's been going on for a long time. This is I label this a zigzag. This is the drone. Actually, I don't know if it's showing off, being ostentatious. It's probably obviously demonstrating what it could do. Play that again. They do that. They act almost as if they're human, or human intelligence. So obviously you can tell what kind of vehicle this is. I don't need to give it a moniker. It's self-explanatory. Let's go to the next. This is only, by the way, this is only just a few videos from the month of May 2020. Okay, we're halfway through. I call it a tag. Here's another zigzag. When these things fly by the air vehicles, they get tagged. So this vehicle got tagged, obviously. Sometimes they get tagged very closely. They'll fly up to the engine. Here we go. Here's actually a pretty good one. I'm showing you that because it's closer to the camera than the air vehicle is. Okay, let's see what happens here. 1, 2. I think I showed you this already, but it's pretty good, so it's worth mentioning twice. Oh, vertical. Look at that. We've got ourselves a little vertical zigzag drone here. What we have here is pretty interesting. This is again, a vehicle with a sophisticated flare camera getting tagged. That's why he's here, because of his flare camera. Regular patrol vehicle, obviously self-explanatory. You could see that this was kind of interesting. Right there, flying pretty close to the rotor. So, let's go to the next video real quick. It's almost completed. This is a sophisticated chopper with a flare camera working in cooperation with this air vehicle, and they do get tagged right about here somewhere. Um, I may have already missed it. They're so fast. They do get tagged. You have to excuse me. I don't have it all memorized. But it's a very serious issue. They're doing everything they can to catch this drone. It's just not that easy. Okay, thank you very much.